Welcome to iLead's first digital orientation program 2020. Change is chance.
So a very warm welcome to all of you. Uh, we are really glad that over 200 people have found time to join us. It's really a great occasion for iLead because this is a new experiment we are doing, an online orientation program, and we have got an overwhelming response. This is the first orientation. We'll have several orientation happening.
It was my first time experiencing an orientation online, and I think it's been a very enriching experience.
I really appreciate the first try by iLead. The orientation was really very good.
मैंने आज पेरेंट ओरिएंटेशन iLead का अटेंड किया था और बहुत अच्छा लगा अटेंड करके, क्योंकि इसमें मोस्ट ऑफ द हमारी जो क्वेरीज थी और जो भी क्वेश्चंस थे वो हमारे रिजॉल्व कर दिए गए, जो भी फैकल्टीज़ थे.
This year, because of the pandemic and everything, we've designed something digitally. And this is the first ever digital orientation we are having. How lucky are you to get something like this?
This year, I really felt that the connect in the digital orientation program is far more than what we've had in the physical orientation. This also has its own benefits. I hope that the days that we planned the orientation is no less than the orientation which happened in the previous years, and we promise that you would equally have fun with us. And maybe the next year orientation, people would say that we want a digital orientation and not a physical one. Let's see.
Here is the orientation kit.
A book on parenting.
Energy drink.
Also, there was 2 Oreo packets and 1 biscuit, but obviously I ate it.
This year, we have embraced the change, the new normal, and present to you our first ever digital orientation program 2020. Change is chance.
A very warm welcome to, I assure you, the most exciting, the most productive, most memorable journey you will ever take in your life in the next 3 years. We had always had great dreams, whether my first venture or second venture in business. Nobody thought, neither did I think that it was possible, but we always had big dreams, large dreams. And we, with God's grace, have been able to achieve. Of course, there was contributors and everybody contributed in making it happen. I think in education, we set that benchmark, and you all, together with our very dedicated, very hard-working faculties, will make it happen.
The world will change more. When I started, we were just doing, those boxes of computers with C:// and then learning, right? We have learned a lot. And I'm sure in the next 20, 30 years, as you guys go on in your professional lives, you'll see a lot of change. Be positive about the change, because you can't control it. The more and more you try to control the change, it's going to be a negative situation.
ছোট থেকেই ছবি আঁকা আমার হবি। পছন্দ করি কার্টুন দেখতে। ছোট থেকে বই পড়তে ভালোবাসি, বিশেষ করে গোয়েন্দা গল্প।
Teachers and my new friends, हाँ मैं बनाने वाला बहुत है नए friends. I'm applying for BSc in Media Science. So I'm a video editor or a YouTuber.
I love music and I also like making videos and putting it on YouTube.
I have taken the course Media Science because I love how media portrays art, stories, and news to a vast audience at a very rapid pace. And I would love to be the one who spreads creativity to a vast audience one day. Thank you.
Like a Hellcat.
I'm Sodadas and I'm gonna be studying BSN Film and Television in IB. You all will meet me soon and I love to make friends.
I am pursuing my BBA in ILEAD and I want to achieve my success under the guidance of excellent professors and mentors of ILEAD.
Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My hobby is doing makeup. I love to do makeup and also I love doing classical dances.
I love filmmaking and I'm very passionate about filmmaking as well. I want to do something with it in the industry.
Mr. Simon Rosario is with us. Mr. Rosario, can you hear us?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Simon and welcome you all in this evening. And today I'm going to show you two simple recipes. So our first recipe is today pizza. Think of making Maggi and you can make it. Once the water will start boiling, this measurement of water is very important. As you can see, it started boiling. Add this Maggi mixture on this. So now the base is ready. You can see we already covered the pizza sauce. So now you add the toppings.
Now it's really, time for some kind of fun activity. We will be playing a lot of games together. We want to make our orientation day a memorable one, and where we can have a lot of activities and a lot of fun together.
Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to play a video. After the song is getting played, you will be given time for 5 minutes. You have to look for those items in your house, bring it together in a place, and then click a selfie of yours with that, with those items, and send it to our WhatsApp group.
Our company's name is Kio PPE Kit. It's a fashionable PPE kit.
खुद गर्ज है, फिसला है ये फिर हाथ से।
जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर, मन मेरा खिंचा चलाया तेरी ओर। हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भंवरे आके लूट गए।